What's up, you guys? Shout Give Me Hedgehog here, and today we have 4 packaging. Will be launch unboxing video. So this is gonna be different. So this unboxing video, a plush unboxing video, is gonna be Sprunkies. Yeah, you guys don't know about Sprunkies. It is type of characters like they sing song at different beats and everything. You can tell the face though what it is. So I'm so excited. I've been waiting this for you guys because I've been waiting for these 3 to came until this one came first. So we're gonna open these up just for you guys, and I am excited for unboxing video. So let's get started. Alright guys, here's our first unboxing. So I know I play Sprunki a lot recently. I heard the characters' names, so basically all I'm saying this, it's gonna be fun. Hold on. Also, I'm recording on my phone, and it's for me too hard to open this. Good thing I got my scissors to help me up. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys, the first package is open, so let's get it out in 3, 2, 1. So the first Sprunki character we got is we have a blue Sprunki. And believe name is Jeban. So let's get him out. And just a little heads up, guys, I did not get all of them yet, but I just gotta feel them. And Jeban's one of my favorite characters in Sprunkies because he just like it. So yeah. And we got Jeban. Wow. You have his hoodie. Can this hoodie take up though? No, it can, but you can see his hoodie though. Have his face, his white string, and tush tag. It's made in China. So Jeban is my first ever Sprunki I got, and he's one of my favorite characters. I'm glad I got him in my hands. So yeah. So second unboxing, and the packet is pink. So I don't know what it is, but let's get this open. All right, guys, we got it open. Which character do we got? Wait, hold on. Is that? Hold on. Based on the okay. Oh, I can tell what it is, you guys. But I'm not gonna say his name because I just want to let you guys know what it is. So come on. And we got Pinky. You guys. Let's get her open. And we got Pinky. Wow, her. Hold on, let me fix her face. Yes, we have Pinky, you guys. We have her bow tie, her ears, her smiley, and this one is made in China as well. So yeah, so Pinky is the charm character from Sprunki, and she is sound like beautiful. So if you guys haven't checked Sprunki, please go play it. It's really cool. So we got Jeban and Pinky. So next one. So pause it. I'll be right back, guys. Try to get this open. That was not expected. There was another packaging. It's like, wow, Amazon. Wow. So we got Pinky and Jeban. Now I believe this is the lime Sprunki. A lime Sprunki. But and I'm not gonna tell you his name yet, but as soon we'll man, this is hard to come out, so be right back. Alright guys, let's see what's inside. Whoop. Yo. And ooh, we have Owax. Wait, is he bigger than them? So let me tell you, so we got Owax. So we got Owax. So usually I want to get a fun bot, and I tried to pick Owax because he looks kind of goofy. So Owax. So let me tell a story. I found the price of him, and I found one of them costs $7 to $8. So the rest of them cost $10 to $15. So I got this one at $8. So it's a pretty deal. So let me compare to Jeban and Owax. Oh my god. Oh, this is not right at all. Owax is taller than them. That is not right. Oh my god. That is not right at all. Oh god. Owax is taller than Pinky and Jeban. Oh god. I did not expect that it would be taller than Pinky and Jeban. But he's alright. At least I have him. I'm happy. And I'll just buy him another one and get the same size as him. So alright, guys. Here comes the last one. And this is gonna be really, really big. I am so excited. It's gonna be, you can tell what face it is. Oh, this is gonna be a lot. So give me a sec. Wait, you can tell what it is. Alright guys, I open it and oh my god. We have more Sprunkis inside. Let's see. Let's get the orange one. We got orange and oh my god. What's up with his headphones? Huh. Oh. Okay, come on. Hold on. What's up with the orange headphones? There we go. So we got Orin. He's a B character. So let me put him to next to Pinky. And we have Ratty. Now Ratty is a really cool one because he looks tough and mean, and he also a B. He has spikes and made in China. And Aura also is made in China. And we got Gray. And we have Gray. I'm really happy I got Gray because he people will say he's emo. So I'm really happy I got Gray because he just looks cool in my opinion. And we got Vineria. Also another lime character. It's same as Owax's. Her flowers on her hair. And she has a bunch of hair. And yeah. shake, shake, shake her hair. So, yeah, so I'm put it to Owax, and finally we have Wenda. But people, but people are saying it'll be white because gray white. But if you guys saying it'll be white, you're wrong. His actual name is Wenda. So yeah, Wenda likes gray or black. I don't know. It's your guys' choice opinion. So Wenda is a little bit crazy on gray. And why is her neck looks like that? Like, and same as Ratty's. Huh. I don't know, but so in main China, so Wenda, Gray, Ratty, Veneria, like these 5 came together in this package. So Wenda, her phase 2 was crazy. So and her sound just bark, and she sounded like she's barking like a dog. You can tell, not really. Herself is just a cat. Same as Gray. So, all right. So, yeah. All right, everybody. We got all the Sprunki characters, but not all of them yet. I still got playing characters to go. Besides, Owax is pretty bigger than them, which is not right. But don't worry. At least his face looks nice. I'll probably get the normal size with the rest of these Sprunkis. So guys, let me know in the comments down below who I should do videos with them. So I'm gonna make a post of them, which any character meets Sprunkis. So I'll make a post about which any characters will, like these characters right there and right there, meets Sprunkis. So it's because Sprunki is I love Sprunki so much, and I'm starting to become a fan of Sprunkis. Well, besides people making weird stuff with them. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Also, make sure to subscribe to my main channel or second channel, or else I'll beat you up. You hear me, people? I'll beat you up. Ready? Go back to your side. Fine, you know fun. Whatever. Anyways, bye guys.